In our last episode, we showed you the demo, the start of the rehab. This video, it all comes together. Boom shakala, my friends, boom shakala.
Boom shakala, indeed. In the beginning of this whole process, from the moment I saw this shed, I started dreaming about what it could be. I knew it had to be my office to work from home. So I got started measuring, getting some dreams together, and literally smacking myself in the face with ideas on how I wanted this project to turn out.
And now back to the brains of the operation, not so much the brawn. It was time to start picking out stuff, and colors come first.
First and foremost, we knew we wanted a nice neutral color, and it had to look good on camera because we do this YouTube channel. Oh, speaking of the YouTube channel, if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do that now.
Push the button.
Oh.
Push the button. So you may have to order that.
It doesn't look like there's a lot in stock.
That first one we picked out actually wasn't in stock, but this flooring was, and honestly, I'm kind of glad the other one wasn't available because I love this.
And Maddie, our oldest daughter, she is our amateur botanist, and she helped us pick out some pretty awesome plants. We bought some grow lights so we could leave the plants inside. Just really, really beautiful stuff, and blessed to have her help.
Now, while the project is in process with our crew, we decided to start shopping for what we wanted to have inside for decoration. I kind of knew the vibe I wanted to go with, and we started locally at a store called Oh My in downtown Rockport. And here were some pictures of things that I took that I really liked. A couple of these items made their way into the shed, and one made their way somewhere else in the house.
And no rock was left unturned over. We even hit the thrift shops and worked our way out from there. There was some weird stuff. We were actually in a little town outside of Rockport. Some of the stuff would not work, as you can see.
So we were out shopping for decor while our crew was doing an amazing job, and they worked late into the night. They really did a bang-up job getting everything done. Here was my first time seeing it with any paint on it, and even just seeing this portion of it done got me excited, and I knew we were on the right track. In doing any kind of project, I always would recommend starting locally and then going to thrift shops. That's a great way to start. But then it's time to start heading into the big city and going to bigger shops. Stores like Ross and Marshall's are a great first stop, but it's always a crapshoot. You never really know what you're going to get. No luck at Ross, so we're on to the next.
If you can't find it in the stores, it's time to go online.
Maybe wipe down that fan.
I think we get rid of that fan. I found this super cool light fixture to replace that fan.
So you want this one farther over here?
We had the crew pop this up for us, and then we started to adjust it. You can see the link below if you're interested in buying something like this. But it's really cool because you can turn the individual bulbs on and off and adjust your lighting inside of the room. And it just has a nice vibe to it.
This is a first look once the crew was finished. I love the paint, the flooring, the batten, these trim pieces that we did. That was a total game changer, and I give total credit to Mark. That was his idea, and I love it. Next step is putting the desk together.
Here, put it on this side. Yes.
Originally, I found this desk at a furniture store, but look at that price tag. I ended up buying this one online for only $69. Ooh, and now my desk. What's that on the, what's that?
It's like a little footrest thing.
Get out of here. Really? Since this was going to be not just an office, but also a YouTube studio, I bought these sound panels and we had our daughter install them. She did a fantastic job. They are peel and stick panels, but you definitely want to make sure to use a multi-purpose glue to secure them before installing the panel. But we've already used this in a few of our videos, and I think they turned out really well.
We got a few more cool things, space heaters, ring light, but now's the big reveal.
Are you ready to see your new office?
I am ready. I'm so excited.
Okay, ready? Close your eyes.
Okay, you're close.
Okay. Okay, give me your hand. Okay.
Don't let me trip.
I won't. Okay, step. Okay, another step. One more step. Okay, go. Ow.
Oh, look at it! Oh, I love this! Look at the plants! OMG! This is perfect! This is perfect! Oh, I'm so excited. This is my new little YouTube studio area. And then this is where I will work. Oh, you even got the AC cranking.
Yeah, it's 95 in here. Yeah, and I put the starfish thing up there too.
That is so perfect. Look at that. Those totally will work. Oh, this is awesome. The total came to $3,328 and some change for labor, materials, decor, the whole shebang. Make sure you stick with me and Mark at the Empty Nester Life and subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified next time we post about this house and some of our other adventures too.
Or, I mean, not enough steps.
I better get to work. Got my drill. I'm ready. Anything you want me to get rolling?
No.
Yeah, I realized there's a couple of things I could. There's a couple of screws loose up here, and there's only one here though.
There's a couple screws loose. All right.